Just getting everything kind of set up here before we start. Alrighty. Welcome, one and all, to the Pirate Software Game Jam development stream number 2. If anybody watches this in the future, or if anybody's watching right now and you don't know, this is mostly for posterity's sake. But I'm a professional game developer. I'm part of Wonderwolf Studios. We normally are working on a 2D Souls-like MMORPG. But for Pirate Software's Game Jam, we decided to try a little something something. All right. I did a bit more work since last time. The weekend was a bit busy, and the last stream, if you saw that at all, I was very, very, very exhausted, and my sleep schedule was kind of screwed up. So I didn't get too much done over the weekend, but we did do some kind of design changes and whatnot, and just some more work over there. We now have the working hotbar. Inventory now scrolls and pans, all that. We've got working inventory, splitting, stacking, all that. Drag them to here, they work. It doesn't actually take it out of the inventory, it's just a reference by design, because we want to kind of limit the inventory. Combat. We're actually, instead of going to have classes, we're going to have a wizard class, or like the base character will be a wizard type thing, and you will be able to use different classes of magic and stuff like that. You'll also have mana as a limited resource, and this has to be spent wisely, especially during the day, because stuff like watering your crops, that's going to be, you know, a water spell, but you need to use mana for that, and you only get so much per day, right? As such, we might have like a rod that you can bonk people with, but as far as the swords and stuff go, probably won't have that. Yeah. So, what we're going to be starting with today is we're going to be getting the soil down. So, we're going to have an animation. I don't have it in yet. Your scope was big. Yeah, so, we might have a few other game jammers in here in the chat at some point. Yeah, the scope's pretty big. We're trying to commit pretty hard for it, but we'll see. you know, I might have to cut more stuff. My list is getting pretty massive. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see what. Oh yeah, so we're doing crops and like planting seeds today. We don't have any graphics for the actual seeds yet. Oh, that's why it's not on there. Yeah. You submitted day 2? Damn, man. Are you finished, or is it like you're still gonna be working on it? Donut walling. Okay, I will submit that I did not set up this Twitch account. It was actually one of the other team members. Yeah. Still work on it? Cool, cool. You're doing like the kind of live update thing? Won't be able to work much on it. Yeah, that's too bad. I actually managed to book this time off work, so yeah, it ended up being pretty cool. Alright, so we have a base class, interactable. This gets passed to a list on the player that you'll able to that, you know, pings the interact system. We have crops, and those get harvestable after a certain amount of days and whatnot. But what we want now is soil to plant those crops in, which will also be an interactable. So we're gonna try to get that going. Seeded, watered, yada yada yada. And I think we're gonna want to keep it kind of on a grid. And at some point we're gonna want to, unfortunately, like block off the surrounding tiles, perhaps. Maybe I'll make an extra mask for that. If we have 2 together, I kind of want it to not be overlapping like that, right? We want this part to kind of go away. We'll see. Yeah, for now, let's just get it able to be placed and whatnot. So public setup. Make that a vector 2 and position just for when it's placed. And we'll just say place position equals position. And then I guess we don't really need to start. So we'll do that, and then, oh, actually, you know what? We're actually just gonna round this off. Just round that up. Oh, there we go. Hey, Mizu. All right. So this should allow it to, when we call the setup, just kind of round the position to the nearest unit, so it will be centered with all the other tiles. Seeded, watered, yada yada yada. All right, let's see how we did this. if watered, we're gonna say graphic dot sprite color. Oh no, we just do graphic color, yeah. No, we probably shouldn't have that in update. We'll make that its own thing. Then we want the day tick over to reset that, I think. I don't think we're going to be getting the soil any health, like these plots. I think they might just decay after you use them or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. Got that, we got that. Let's do day start. Okay, we'll need a integer for day watered. Start that. If day watered does not equal world.day count. And we have if it doesn't the day count. And we're watered. Yeah, I suppose. Alright, cool. Then we'll set that to we'll just reset that color. And water as false. You know what? Let's put this one first. Cool. Okay, we're gonna make another skill for like creating the plots. Where are we going? Resources, skills, harvest. Okay. And we can just do what should we name it? Like prepare soil or something like that? Till? No, 2 L's. Okay, we don't have one of these yet. So we're just gonna put idle. Put it like 1. Actually, do I have a placeholder? Let me save that. Wait, why is only one eyelid working? It's odd. That'll do. I'll do for a night. Just make sure the animations are working. Oh, you know what? Probably don't even want this as a basic skill. Probably want this as like its own thing. Brutal. Okay, let's make a new. Placement skill. Which we'll be able to use for setting up defenses as well. Like anything that we build with. Use that. Just grab this. Bam. I mean, it shouldn't even be build skill. But that's fine. Okay. We're gonna have like that. Alright, and then after we do like the animations and all that, which should be inherited from the base state system, we're going to place it no parent, but we're going to do two caster look direction times 2.1. We're going to do that. Transform that position. And returning into identity. And is that a problem? Because this. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, sorry. I'm kind of tired again. Alright. Now we can do some checks here. This is kind of bad practice, I think, but what we'll do is... if we have a soil object... I mean, really, we could just do a typing, but because there's only going to be one typing for this, and it's a game jam, I think it'll be fine. So we have that. We'll set it up. Now I'm unsure if I'm going to make this a button, like the to kill the ground. I'm not sure if it's going to be a button or like a keybind, right? But for right now, I think this will be fine. Yeah, skills. Delete that one because that's a basic skill. Create. Placement skill. So we don't want this. And now we're going to create that prefab. Non-interactable soil. World should get that. Oh, okay. No, we do need to start. That's what I was missing. that's right. Yeah. Sweet. What was it? 1.3 there, I think. Actually, let's do 1 for now. Cool. So this is the trigger that when the player is close, it'll be able to interact with it with certain items and stuff like that, right? We'll do that. It should be good for the prefab for now. We can always edit it. Good. No classes anymore. Still. Alrighty. Did I save that to something? That index. Sweet. Alrighty. So now what do we want? We want... We're just gonna set that skill. Okay, I guess we'll also want it to check if we already tilled that patch of ground. Guess we could have like a dictionary for tills. Yeah, I might have to do that. But first. Cool. So we have that. Yeah, we might have to do a dictionary for it. Alright. Let's just do... And we'll do... Probably vector 2. Vector 2 and bools, probably? Yeah. Or soils. Yeah, let's do soils. Oh, and we gotta name this guy. Maybe just world soil. World kills. World soils. Okay, so now when we plant, or when we like till the ground, we set up, let's add, I guess we'll have to check first. So if it's already there, we have to destroy it. Otherwise, we'll say, hey, we're adding this. Place position. That's. Or alternatively, we could destroy the one that was placed beforehand, so we keep the new one. Ooh, okay, yeah, we're gonna do that, I think. We can destroy. Key, place position. Add argument. And we'll do this either at a time. Like, okay, we don't even need that then. Alright, should destroy the older one, keep a new one now. Yeah, maybe we make this a button. Although if we have an appropriate icon is another question. Probably don't. At least here. Okay, well we can use that one, that swing, for now. Bring it into, where are we? There. Alright, let's add another button. Actually, what was this? 66. These are tubes. Let's eyeball it first. Okay. Oh. Huh. Alrighty, do 18. Cool. And we'll just use our UI manager. Just the easy way, create an event. Now let's get the player. And we'll just do it not for the turn. Till is going to be doing this, but instead of that, it is clicked till. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Alright, so how this works, I should click this, I'll play a little animation. Not the correct one, notably. Should spawn a dirt block right here. Did not. No errors. It's not the test crop. Alright. What did I mess up? Okay, we applied. If we have to build prefab. Did I sign the build prefab? I think I did, right? I did not. That'll be why. So, no. What was it? Lock this. Planting plot. I should probably rename that. Alright, cool. Now it should work. Unlock that. I see. Not tagged. Yeah. Okay. Well, something something messed up. Well, we'll see here. Cool. Alright. I'm assuming I screwed up something here. Ah, I did. Cast time is 0. We'll do second cooldown for now. Cast time 0.5. Is that it? No. It's saying soil 25. Oh, okay, interesting. Ah, my screen up dictionary stuff again. Shouldn't be. The positions are vector 2s, right? Also, we're gonna fix that much. Actually, I guess not. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, why? I think I'm being stupid right now. Did I not initialize or something? Let's consult the ancients. That should be working, right? . I wonder if it's like non-initialized or something like that. Check that really quick. I'm probably just being very stupid. Oh, this being called before this. Ah, alright. That is what was going on. The race condition. Of sorts, I suppose. Let's do that. Alright. There we go. We till this, we till this, we till this. This is what I'm talking about, though. This needs to layer properly. Not sure how I'm gonna do it, but we gotta do it. Actually, I think I kind of know how I'm gonna do it. It ain't pretty. Because I don't want to, like, include a whole auto-tiling system for this. Okay. But, one thing is, that's working. And what this is going to do is it's going to check for an interactable soil. So I can do that, right? Oh. And we'll plant those in the closest soil. And then, just for trying this. Oh, that's right. I'll need to call the function there. Does it delete? Ooh, okay. Why is that opening up to this? That stack trace is really odd. It's like opening to the first position. Surely not. Okay, well maybe we just make these. Yeah. Then maybe. Just remove. Oh, what am I doing? What am didn't say that. Okay, I know how I'm gonna have to fix this, but I don't like it at all. I think it's still less work than getting like a true auto tiling system, but it's still gonna suck. I'll do that another time. For now, we just want to be able to plant seeds. Ah, okay, yeah. I was like, huh. Okay, I'll do... Okay, we don't need that, we don't need that. We do want to give them the interact skill. We do want to make it look at them. Now we just want to set up the crop to be the same, like, direction. But we'll do here as well. So we're gonna say plant seed range dot node plus. And when we do this, we're gonna want to reset that soil as well. Which, thankfully, we have this guy for now. Oh, maybe we just destroy the soil too. Maybe we do that. Yeah. Yeah, I think we do that. We'll add a check there just in case something goes awry. And we'll have to make some fancy animation for the soil appearing too, like being tilled. Make some like rumble effect to it or something like that. Like you're using magic to create the tilled soil. All right. Cool. So we do that. Get that all set up. But I wonder if instead of doing the interact for this, we just do like the item use. Yeah, that might be the play. Now we don't have it interactable at all. So the crops are interactable. So yeah, maybe we don't do this at all. And we just find the closest plot next to you that's within range to plant the seeds in. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. So, where do I have it? Hello. Okay, we'll grab this. Cool. And then we'll say if. Oh, we'll have to get the world too. So. Let's steal that again from here. We should probably make this like a singleton in an instance instead of passing this every time, but I think for game jam it's fine. Oh, what am I doing? Yes. Wrong brackets. Okay. If we have a soil in that position, and if check the between dots, get component soil dot seeded. It's not seeded. And oh, you know what? I will also need a prefab slot. Yeah, let's do it. And then where's our item scripts? Let's get a wrapper for it. Oh yeah, it's not seated. It's gonna be seated. And we're gonna say we gotta create a new object as well. Basically the same thing we do here when we actually like set up. Or no. Placement skill. And instead of this, we can just do check position. This should always have a crop, but just in case, we'll check as well. Just gonna change this to setup. Sweet. It is seated. So unfortunately, this doesn't need to be interactable anymore. We don't need this. We do need a soil. If it's not there, then maybe we send a message later, like with a little text box or something like that. And just cancel out, I guess. Otherwise, we do it. Then we gotta take away this item. Or take away one of these items. Yeah, so that one. Inventory. That remove. No. I thought I had a function for this. Yeah, inventory remove. Oh, it's because it's an entity. Well, we can change this because... Oh, whatever, we'll just cast it. I don't think NPCs are going to be using items at all. We'll take away 1 seed. Now for the soil. Yeah, we don't need this either. We just go in here for that. Ah, of course. Cool. Alright, I think we're close to being able to plant this in the actual crop, man. Let's, we have a test crop. Let's put that in a prefab really quick. Delete that. Now we go resources, items, Ember Snapper seeds, test crop. Seed, max stack, that's a lie. Let's do 10. Oop. I think I have everything I need now for this. We till the ground. Let's we'll try them both. Try here. Something happened. It did place it. Didn't throw any errors. Did it? No. Where are you? Oh, you're out of position though. Why is that, sir? You should be right here, right? Yeah, where are you? Oh, because the place position. Okay, yeah, that's my bad. Set up, and we're just gonna do the same thing where we say. Yeah, it's because I had this old code from this saying that the position is gonna be the place position. I never set the place position at all, so we can just do. Actually, I think we don't even need this now. We can just go. Actually, we don't need that at all either. I just got rid of that. Boom. Oh. What did I do? Did I not say that? Oh. Okay, never mind. I do need that. Okay. Yeah, just the default coordinate. You're exactly right. Alright, that should be much better. Let's give that a whirl. Woohoo! Alright. And this should stick to the grid. Oh. Awesome. I might have to get that position a bit. Get that looking position a bit more focused. Ooh, I think I planted it in the same spot twice, though. Does that allow that? It does. Okay, but it's not seated. Okay, it just took it away, actually. It didn't actually do that. Okay, cool. So I only consume it if it's not seated. Let's change this to 0.35, maybe. We'll do the same thing for placements. So now hopefully it shouldn't like place the crop right under you. Should be the one in front of you. Ah, maybe. Yeah, I'll have to up it to 0.5. Let's try it from the hotbar now. Bop, 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 bop. All right. Woo. And then if we were to speed this up for 2 days, these would be harvestable, hopefully. Boom. All right. It's all working. It's all coming together. Woo. All right. Well, we can plant and harvest now. Planting crops. Done. Let's get a little interact identifier. Identifier. Identifier? Yeah. So basically when you can interact with something, let's put it above your head. That you can interact with it, you know. Let's go here. Let's give him like just a sprite, I think. Interact notif. Sprite. Oh, sorry, spray river. We'll do paper. Okay. Mm. Is this the exact same? 32. Yeah, there. Okay. Let's tile this paper window. We're gonna have 6. There we go. Awesome. I actually started 32 because we want 1 pixel here to be the same pixel as that. But why is that going there now? Ah. Is it 24? No. Oh, the 48. There we go. Keep that at 0. 1.5 is fine. Let's put it on the foreground. Oh, no. Yeah, no, foreground. We don't want the light to affect this. So we need sprite unlit default. Awesome. We'll create a little... Where's my text mesh? Am I blind? But I don't want the UI version, man. Okay, we'll just add it. Oh, is this forced to be on that? Rect transform? Interesting. Interesting. I don't know if I like that, but we'll see. Just do it 1-1. I'll let this maybe scale this down. There you go. Why aren't you... What are you doing? There we go. Hmm. We don't have to do the paper looking thing for this, I guess. We'll just do this one. Oh, okay. Why are you doing that? This is weird, though. It's like it's using 2 different materials. That's odd. Okay, we have this here. I want it smaller. I think we're just going to scale this down by like 0.5. So I think we can do 32. Now this pixel should be the same. Ah, dang. Alright. So I'll have to give this like a little juice at some point. But for now, we'll just have it so when we have an interactable, we'll turn that on. And then we do interact handling. Where are you? Okay. So I think we can... Where do we add to this? Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. Let's do... If we have interactables, direct identifier dot if... Okay, actually we can do incorrect identifier dot set active interactables dot count greater than 0. So now if we do that same test. Oh, that's right. We have to assign it. Bam. Good. Now I can't plant there. I'll plant here. Bop, bop. So the world's for you. It's 1. Ooh. Oh, okay, well, it borrowed the old thing, but it actually doesn't look bad. Maybe I want it a bit smaller, though. It also kind of blends in. Yeah, I want it this frame. Then it'll be way too big. Yeah, this should be fine. Woo! Alrighty. And those will like explode into loot and whatnot as well. Okay, I gotta get tilling, just the soil auto tile stuff set up. What do we got next? Nighttime spawning. Maybe make it work on the base map. This will be a bit of a shorter stream today. The girlfriend's home, so I kind of want to spend more time with her, but. Trees, combo juice, collection. day-night clock will be fun too. Yeah, that's really sick though. I'll have to get animations for that. Let's see if I can find a like a decent hoe, or I'll make it magic maybe. Oh yeah, let's change those to 0.5. Did I end up doing that? No. There it is. Excellent. So it should never be the one right on top of it, you know what I mean? Now that's pushed out a bit more, it should always be somewhat in front of you. You do have to be looking in the direction right now. Maybe I'll change that. Maybe I'll just make it so it can be. Like wherever that works. I don't know. I'm glad this is in though. This is working like pretty well too. All right. Well, maybe we start working on the base map next. Still not sure if I'm gonna allow chopping trees or whatnot. I'll probably like allow like harvesting berries off bushes and stuff, but in terms of trees, I'm not sure yet. All right, let's get. So the base premise is you're gonna have your tower where you can do your alchemy stuff. Your base like plot of land, and the tree in the center that you're gonna have to protect and nourish as well. It's gonna be like your level source as well. So I'm thinking maybe something. No, this is kind of an appropriate size. Maybe a bit bigger. Maybe do like a 40 by 40. Just when I start playing. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So the general concept, and it's still kind of changing and adapting as we do, like to the development of it. But the basic concept is there's like a it's Stardew Valley meets roguelike meets like a tower defense kind of. So you're living on a almost like a farmstead, but it's like a wizard's tower instead. You're growing interesting crops and like harvesting stuff from around the zone. There's gonna be a town over here, and you're gonna have to purify a lot of the villagers and stuff. So like there's this weird shadow or darkness or disease or whatnot going around, and you're gonna have to, like, shopkeepers and stuff, you're gonna have to unlock them by purifying them with like light seeds or something like that you get from a tree from the center that you're protecting from the shadow every night. So your days are spent going in the woods and hunting, going up to the waterfall and the cave there and like foraging, planting your crops, tending all that, and then at night, or I guess like all your crafting and stuff like that. And then at night, shadow variants of the wildlife spawn. They're gonna try to destroy the tree that you're trying to tend. It's actually pretty cool. We have this really cool shot of like, we don't have the art done for it yet, and he has like, our pixel artist isn't here for the first week and a half, pretty much. But okay, yeah, here. I'll see if I can zoom this up. Open it in my browser, please. Alright, so yeah, we don't have the pixel art for it. Basically, to the south, there's going to be this thing on the ground. You're going to be feeding this. And it's going to be, like, accumulating to a tree, right? And every night passes, the tree's going to get bigger and bigger. And then there's going to be, like, some balancing act as well between, like, too much light and too much shadow. Stuff like that. Or at least that's the base idea. But yeah. And then obviously like run changing stuff and every time you play it and whatnot. A lot of the content development and like content integration stuff like that will probably be done in the second week. But I mean, so you know, starting in a couple days. So I got a lot to do. But yeah, it's getting there pretty quickly, hopefully. Even if we only have, like, you know, 6 enemies, I think it'll be fine. I gotta do the crafting system as well, and then it'll be just kind of content dev for a lot of that. See, like, maybe a path. Yeah, I hope so, man. Yeah, I don't know. I think I was looking at some of the other entries so far, and a lot of them are pretty cool. I think ours would be probably in the more ambitious realm, which I hope is rewarded instead of punished, but, you know, it's all good. Let's do kind of like that path. So for this, I kind of want like the that Stardew Valley kind of rundown farmstead vibe. When you first start the game, you kind of get into that, right? And you're gonna have to clean up the land a bit as well, I think, to get more usable land for crops and stuff like that. I'm not that great of a mapper, but something I do feel like I'm decent at is like texturing. So just leaving like little holes in terrain and stuff like that, Adds a lot of character. Yeah, now obviously the maps I make for New Eden aren't as good as like Fox's. The difference being Fox will spend like a week on a map, where I'll try to get it done in a couple hours. And you know, therefore my maps aren't the end all be all for New Eden at all. Like the last one I did was the Moonlight Caves, which was very very basic, you know. But it's not like a set piece or anything like that, right? I think it looks cool still, but it's not like the garden where it's so intricate, or like Halls of the Shroom King, where it's so intricate, so detailed that you can kind of get lost in it. Let's put that there. Like that. Kind of like a bridge there. Yeah. And we'll kind of want like little paths at some point. Maybe, maybe like a sand path. This. No, that kind of. No, actually, it doesn't clash. I'll put this to the town. Like the tree will kind of be in here. And your tower will be up here, kind of, I think. Something like that for each pathway. It blends too good. Yeah. Yeah, the tiled is really cool because you can set up like a lot of intricate stuff for work and development. So like for instance, I had to redo what this asset library was packed with. Like I had to like bring it into GIMP and slice it up differently and relay it out for it to work. But yeah, the blending on this set is really good. I would have liked to have done our own set, but yeah, like I was mentioning, our guy is not gonna be here until I think Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. He's not around all the time. And over here will be like the forest area. Like that, yeah, this space. See, now I think that's a bit too much texture, so I'll get rid of some of it. That was a cool interaction. You can use that somewhere. So yeah, your tower's gonna be up there. Kind of like the idea of having maybe some of this blocked off to planting. Maybe we'll have like a patch around the tree. Give that. Let's do this. Brutal. Gonna need that. Shift it over. Brutal. That should be fine. Maybe it will be. I don't know. We'll have to see. Which one do I need here? This one. Brutal. Might see what I can do about the borders on this at some point, but for now I just want like a base layout for the maps. I gotta bring that down too. that. And then on this, we do. Ah, shoot. Alright. Do separate. Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm mask too. French. I meant to bring this up too. Uh, So the reason I separate these into layers like that is so some things can be rendered over and under the player when we import it. So it helps layering just in here as well, but for purposes, it'll be for in Unity as well. Oh. I might have to drop these back a bit. For now, let's just add our pathways to the rest here. So basically when you pass a threshold, it'll like fade out, you go to the next map, right? That's the idea anyway right now. I think we'll get rid of that. And now for under here, we can do that and oh, ground. And we go to mask. And we say, hey, let's put some grass here. That nice blend. Although now I'm looking at it. Whatever. Be fine for now at least. Let's tuck these in. This kind of nice little stagger to this as well. That offset we did in that top right kind of works here. We'll go ground. You know what? I think I kind of like that more than the the grass for this area. Kind of like it bled off into that. Wait a minute, is this mask too? Okay, good. And then let's see if we can have like a little overgrowth kind of thing going here. Kind of like that. Doesn't really hide the path too much. Yeah, cool. Do that. Nice. Then we'll get our little fortress thing here. Our wizard's tower. I get to do a doorway for this. Like a proper doorway. Ah, yeah. Oh, I need a fringe too. So kind of like that. We could do like pillars around there too at some point. I don't know, something. Oh, that's a little decor. Yes, we'll have to do objects for those. Oh, brutal. That's why I need my team here. Okay, this is horrible on Streamlabs for that. Let's go here. That's awesome. Okay. I should have had it set up earlier. I should have had it set up earlier. Well, I'll have to get Neos to set me up some tools there next time. I'll have to get him to make you a stream mod as well there, Mizu. Oh, shoot. You're doing that wrong. Entities. It's template, yeah. I wonder if I want these to be like somewhat randomly spawned as well. If we do chop them down. Well, I can add that later. If need be. Get like a creeping wood line kind of thing going here. And this is where the shadow creatures will spawn, kind of in this wood line. Yeah, I want some ground for that as well. The tower. The tower is one of the few things that we're gonna see if Neos can redo when he's back. We also want like fully custom crops and stuff like that. That's good for now. Let's get that. Would this work? Kind of. I need sand for now. That's not bad. And what we can do as well, I get some of that. Looks like a border of the. Something like that. Okay, we're gonna make another template. Insert the image. Have to ban the bots. Okay, gotcha. You know what? I would do it if I knew how. Yeah, let's see if I can get that going here. Okay. Mod view. Unfortunately, I can't delete that now, I don't think. Unless I go back here, maybe? I'll have to figure it out at some point here. I think stream is almost gonna be over today, anyways. But I'll be uploading these VODs to YouTube as well. As I've mentioned a few times, it's kind of like our, like for posterity's sake, kind of, right? But, yeah. Maybe at some point I'll ping our Discord or maybe some role or something like that. Get more of a party going on in here. But, yeah. Just as well if it's only a few people, because I get to focus more, I think. But yeah. Yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in. I think I will wrap it up and hang out with the gal for a bit today, and then I'll get back to work on this. But yeah, thanks for chilling out, man. Hope you have a great day. But yeah, peace, guys. Have a good one. Take a good break. Yeah, will do, man. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll be streaming every day this week, I believe. So yeah, peace.